Hey everyone, I'm Jacob and I'm an aspiring cinematographer and photographer. And I make videos just like this, some vlog style videos and some other stuff like that. So if you're interested, consider subscribing. Today we are going to New York to visit some family for winter break, so let's just get to it.
Our aircraft is ready. We will begin our boarding process. Please be reminded that we are practicing social distancing here at Southwest Airlines.
The first flight to Baltimore was pretty good. It was a bigger flight, there was a bit more people on it, but we got a row to ourselves, so my mom, my brother, and I was able to watch 2 movies actually, so that was pretty good just to relax, kind of chill a little bit down. Then we just went to our next gate, got on a plane, and that one was the shorter flight, so it was good. I was able to rest a little bit. Then we got home, it was a little bit later, and we just went straight to bed because at that point I was just so tired. For the rest of the trip, I just plan on relaxing and just decompressing. And here we are, not even a day back, and it's already snowing. It's probably like a foot of snow, which is a lot more than we've had in a bit. So that's awesome. I'm just gonna hang out and enjoy this. Hopefully we don't get snowed in because there's more coming apparently from what I'm hearing. So yeah, let's go have some fun. Alright, my mom and I are going to be making a snowman. This is my first snowman. She's basically a pro at this. So we're gonna figure out if this snow is thick enough to actually pack down and make a snowman.
So what you want to do is you want to start off, I would start this at the bottom and then roll it. As you roll it, it should get bigger. Like you could do a small, we could have done a small snowman.
Let's do a small one.
Like a little family of, a little family of snowmen.
Big guy. He's gonna put his arm around this kid. They're friends. We finished the snowman family with the little dog. Good job.
Good job.
That was pretty fun making snowman with my mom. She helped me a ton, so thank you, Mom. I never actually knew how that worked, the rolling situation. Like, that makes sense, but since I've never made a snowman, I didn't know that. So that was fun. And now, let's jump into some snow. Oh. Oh. So there's snow. Today, my mom, my brother, and I are going to New York City. We're going to be meeting my friend Aquilla. I've known her for a couple years. We're pretty good friends. She was in Jersey, so she's driving down to New York City. We're going to be meeting there for almost the whole day. The train ride is about 2.5 hours, so we're not going to be doing much. I'll just maybe watch a movie or talk, eat some snacks, not a whole bunch, and we're just gonna chill until we get there.
Riding out to the ever after. There may be trouble all around. Leave this unrest all far behind.
So we got off the train. It was a really fun experience. It was really pretty, all the visuals and everything. We met up with Aquilla.
Hi.
And now we're just walking around New York City, just checking out some stores and having some fun. No, I'm not gonna do that. Okay. We are walking to Casey Neistat's shop over here. 368, is that what it's called? Yeah. We're walking to 368. Are you excited?
Yeah, I love Casey, so I'm very excited. Oh, you're vlogging.
Yeah.
I don't know, but not looking very Casey. Is that Casey?
We made it to A368. We don't know if it's the right 368.
Maybe it's up there. It's probably up there, right?
Most likely.
So they're renovating. I'm not sure.
So it was still cool pretty much to see everything, just to know where he is. So we just left 368. Now we're heading over to the big Christmas tree in Rockefeller Center. All right, guys, we finished up in New York City, and now we are parting ways. Bye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section below. If you didn't, let me know in the comment section below as well. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next one.